Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Safari on your iPhone quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And from here, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now again in this section, keep on scrolling until you see the Safari in the list. And once you see that, simply tap on it. Now next, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Advanced. And from here, simply tap on Website Data. And at the very bottom, you will see the option to remove all website data. So simply tap on that to delete all your browsing history, cache, and other stored data. And if you want to completely reset all settings including Safari settings, simply go back to the main settings page and from here simply tap on General. Now here simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as Transfer or Reset iPhone. And finally on the new page you can see the option labeled as Reset. So simply tap on that and from here you can select Reset All Settings and you will need to enter your passcode and this will reset everything back to the factory defaults including Safari. And there you have it. That's how you can easily reset your Safari browser on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.